See this example here. Here we are having a random figure A, B, C, D, which looks like a trapezium, but what is important for us is that AEGD is a parallelogram. It is given to you that this is a parallelogram, and BCHF is a parallelogram. So, AFGD is a parallelogram, and therefore, we can use the properties of a parallelogram there. And this side we have observed that FBCH is also a parallelogram, and this is the short form of parallelogram. We can put two parallel lines and write GM, which is parallelogram symbol. Now, using the properties of a parallelogram here, first case, in this parallelogram, this angle A is given to us as 120 degrees. If angle A is 120, we can find out angle E. Angle E can be found out by using the property that since it is a parallelogram, these lines will be parallel. So, sum of the co-interior angles will be 180. So, E will be 180 minus 120, that will give us 60 degrees. In this parallelogram, now we are going to use another property, and that is angle C is 70. So, angle F will also be 70. This property is opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So, if angle C is 70, we can say angle F will be equivalent to C, and that will be equal to 70 degrees. So, here we made use of the property that sum of co-interior angles adds up to 180, and here in this case we are using the property opposite angles add up to equal to 180. So, here in this case, if you look at the two parallelograms, we have found out angle E and angle F. There is one unknown angle, that is x. So, let us look at this triangle EOF. In triangle EOF, we have already found out two angles, and the two angles are 60 and 70, and sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore, if you add a 60 and 70, we get 130 degrees, and therefore, the unknown angle x can be found out by subtracting 130 from 180. Therefore, the value of x will be 50 degrees. Hence, the unknown angle has been found out by using two properties of the parallelogram. In the first case, sum of co-interior angles add up to 180. In the second case, opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal, and in the third case, angle sum property of triangles, that sum of angles of a triangle is 180, and therefore, we get our final answer x is 50 degrees.